It's at times like this I wish I paid a little bit more attention when I took it apart. What I'm worried about is I can't remember exactly how this wire ran. I think what I might have to do is go back and have a look at the video and taking it apart, see if I can see. I'm sure it goes down, I'm sure it went down there, but I'm not 100% sure. So I'm going to go and have to have a quick look, so bear with me just for 1 minute. Okay, I've just had a look back at the video and it does go there, which is great. Thought it did. Hello. Right, I've tried everything on these exhausts. These are stainless steel. So this is the exhaust I bought. And you can see it's pretty manky, but it's okay. I've tried everything. I've tried some of this. I've been told this is very good. It didn't work particularly well for me. I've tried Coke. That didn't work either. And to be fair, the only thing, I think maybe it's just too far in. Whatever it is, you know, the tarnish has gone too far. Can you see what it's like? Yeah. So I've gone back to the old favourite wire wheel then. So we're back on the wire wheel, cleaning up this as much as possible. The whole of this frickin' bike has been cleaned up with a wire wheel, hasn't it? However, it's doing it okay. And again, you know, we're not going for immaculately brilliant, but it's doing all right. It's doing all right. So let's do this exhaust. Then, where are you? Are you any good where you are? You might be. Yeah. So, fucking wire wheel. I tell you, my ears are just ringing with the sound of electric drill at the moment. Okay, look at that. Look at that compared to what we started with. Mustard, that is. Okay, so that's that one bit done. And so remember we got a new exhaust, didn't we? Because our old one was too far gone, the old one. So I've done everything else as well. So the whole of our new exhaust is done, ready to go. Okay, so let's go and put it on the bike. Oh, that'd be exciting, wouldn't it? Cool, we might be able to start it. Yeah. Come on, let's go. Now we're talking. Check out the shiny exhausts. Fabulous. Fabulous. Okay, they look pretty good, don't they? They don't look bad at all. And you can see the silencer box down there, so you know what, that was a good buy, wasn't it? That saved us a lot of grief with that old exhaust and a lot of welding up and all sorts, and it still wouldn't have looked as good as this one anyway. So that was well worth it. Okay, look at this one. Look at this. I reckon what we'll do now, I reckon we'll put the battery on it, we'll check the electrics and see if we can get the thing to run. Yeah, no, that's really exciting, isn't it? Okay, let's crack on. Let's get on and do that. But anyway, this is where she is. Exhaust is on there. Oh, I've got to plug in these wires and stuff like that. That's right, then we can do that when we check all the electrics, can't we? Fabulous, fabulous. Okay, good stuff. I'll speak to you in a bit.